Hello. This tutorial will demonstrate how to borrow material from another library using Hunt Library's free interlibrary loan service. First, you'll need to go to our website at huntlibrary.erau.edu. From there, select the quick link Borrow from Another Library. This is our Interlibrary Loan webpage. Here you can find lots of information about the service. Click on the Request Interlibrary Loan Materials link to request materials from another library. You will have to use your ERNI credentials to log in. For your first interlibrary loan, you'll have to create a profile, which will only take a few moments. You will only have to do this once. Once you're at your Interlibrary Loan account page, you can click on the New Request tab up here to request either a book or an article. A book request is for an entire book, whereas a copy request is for an article from a journal, a paper from a conference proceeding, a chapter from a book, or any type of copy request. For the New Book Request form, you need to provide us with as much information as you can. Once we receive and process your request, books will be delivered to campus for you to pick up, usually within 5 to 7 business days. Now let's look at a copy request form. As with the book request form, you'll need to provide us with as much information as you can when making a copy request. Copy requests will be emailed to you and typically take 2 to 3 days to receive. Some journal article citations in Eagle Search include an orange Borrow from Another Library ILL button. This button automatically populates the interlibrary loan form for you. As you can see, making an interlibrary loan request only takes a couple of minutes, is very simple, and is a great way to get your hands on materials that we don't have in the library. Thank you for watching.